Rise and shine, my beautiful people, rise and shine. It's your boy Rayman here, aka your ray of sunshine, aka Mr. Mufasa in the building, baby, and we out here. Today we're gonna go exploring. I don't know nothing about Vienna. What I do know is it was home to Mozart and Beethoven. You know, it was the heart of the Roman Empire, and there's a lot of history here. So I just spent over 1 year in Africa, and now I've come over to Europe just to visit some friends and family. And I've been lucky enough to have this beautiful apartment to get my friend Jovi. He was out in Senegal. Hey, have a look, guys. Look at that face. Say hello to this little fella over here, guys. I know you're gonna like this one. Hello, Ziggy. Hello. You are so cute, aren't you? We've got blackberries here, we've got banana, mango, goji berries, we've got peach here, and look, this is Indian amla, or gooseberries. They're usually green, but these are purple, so I'm excited to try those. These are super high in vitamin C, by the way. A handful of these is like eating 100 oranges, so that'll be good for the immune system. Finally ready. It's midday right now. The sun is beaming, super hot. It's about 33 degrees right now in Vienna, and we're out here on the top floor of this apartment. Windows all around, and it's baking like a greenhouse almost. So we're gonna get out. We're gonna go get some lunch because I'm super hungry. I'm with my friend Jovi. Where are we going, Jovi?
We're going to Cafe Central. Center of Vienna, some pastries.
That's it, we're going for pastries in this 140-year-old restaurant. It's got a lot of history, a lot of famous people apparently have eaten there. As usual. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG, and they want to kill me. I swear these bitches nosy. The language here is German. I don't speak any German. So, how about yourself?
Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. A little, I speak a little
That's the
German.
one word she knows. Guys, we're gonna struggle out here. We are gonna struggle, boy. The road signs, man. I just learned Swahili in the last several months. And Wolof. Now I've got to pick up some German. This is where we're staying. I don't know the name of the area, but here's the station. It's apparently meant to be zone 1 of Vienna, like the central. That's the Sigmund Freud University right there, to give you some frame of reference. And here's the train station, and we're like 2 minutes walk from here. We're gonna catch a train. Where are we catching the train to?
To the center, by Cafe Central. I'm not even sure.
Okay, Cafe Central. Oh man, it's so hot right now. It's unbelievable. It's not bad, €8 for a day pass, and you can get all the trains and trams. It's not bad. I think I will try that next time.
That's right. I feel like no one needs to.
Guys, I just bought a one-way ticket here for €240. That will get me to, I think, any destination in Central. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stops. I can't pronounce this, I can't pronounce these pronunciations just yet, man. I'm just gonna call it Messi. We're at Messi, Lionel Messi station. Yeah, let me hear it.
Okay.
Go on.
So we just got the pronunciation.
Do it again. Okay, so that's how you pronounce it then, I guess. We'll get to the hang of this German pronunciation soon. Train's coming. That's a goodie shot. This station is weird. Oh guys, look, here's a tram. How cool is that? How cool is this, guys? Guys, all I want to do is eat pastries. I want to eat some cakes, desserts. I want something sweet, man.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, sure. How about meet you back here in about 5 minutes? Guys, we've been told about Interspa. Coming here and finding like lots of little things for the house, food shopping. Also, if we're gonna buy a gift, we can buy something like cheeses and wines and cakes and stuff. Interspa.
Did you hear?
Huh?
That's an English accent. Did you hear? I got here.
No. Guys, look at this. They've got dragon fruit here, passion fruit, red banana, papaya. I think this is granadilla. No, I forgot the name of that one. Pomegranate, mangoes, avocado. Interesting, man. Limes, lemons. Hey, how you doing? Hey. So look, this is where the life is. Look at these fresh greens, man. Very similar prices to London. Mixed bags, salad, €1.79. All your berries. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, high in antioxidants, amazing. Yeah! They got a DJ, that's how serious they take this shopping experience. And look, the wines. All these wines. What should we buy as a bottle of wine? Bottle of red here. It's a 2015. Is this an Italian wine?
This is an Italian. This is the Lupicaia from Castello del Terriccio.
Incredible, increíble. And I get my 25% discount too.
There is really no competition anymore.
There's no competition. Hi guys. We've got the gifts now, we're going to go out and get something to eat. We're going to try and find the hotel. Look how beautiful this town is. All the period buildings, man. We bought up a bottle of red wine and a bottle of champagne. This is not it, is it?
No.
Oh, this, what is Leah put? This is this Italian, no? Le restaurant. Oh. Hello. Guys, we're super hungry right now. And look at the queue here for dinner. We haven't made any reservations because we're the smartest people on the planet, of course. And, oh gosh, we're gonna have to wait and see if we can get a table. Hopefully we can. I look since 1876.
Yeah. Come back at night time and eat it. It's open today. And it's very nice.
Yeah, it's better in the evening time as well, I guess. It looks like, you know, we're gonna go to a different restaurant.
Okay, how do you think?
Stadcup. Yeah, it looks cool. It looks cool.
We're hungry now.
I'm super hungry. I'll eat anything right now. I'm hungry. This will do. Stadcup. Hey guys, I got a Portobello Road. I said Portobello Road. Guys, I got a Portobello burger here, vegan burger with some fries. Where's our condiments? I just want to eat something right now. I'll give you the verdict on the other side. This is lovely. Little restaurants and stuff. Oh, I gotta get one for the gram here.
They call me RaymanMufasa, you know I come from Mombasa. I was raised on the streets, I had to hustle just to eat. My mothers was shopping food on the streets, hey. I'm packing heat on the streets, hey. So I knew I could never be weak. So I knew I would never be weak.